I'm gonna show you how you can use TikTok after the US ban. So you probably got this error and I'm going to show you how you can fix it in just a few seconds. So the solution for this is using a VPN like SourceArc, which will bypass the TikTok ban in the United States. So you might have used a VPN in the past, and some of them are blocked, and you can't access TikTok even when using that VPN. But SourceArc VPN is able to bypass the ban, and it will let you access TikTok. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below to access this VPN, and it's important that you use that link and you don't use other VPNs because there are some of them that are banned and don't work. So you can see some of the information right here. As you can see, you will be able to access TikTok safely with a VPN, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can just ask for your money back. The process is very easy. You just need to get a VPN, connect to a server, and enjoy the TikTok videos. So to do it, you just need to click on Get SourceArc. You will go right here to the VPN plans and pricing. You can choose any plan you want, and they always have this 30-day money back guarantee. So after you have chosen your plan, you need to enter the email for your SourceArc account, or you can continue with Google. Now, once we have our SourceArc plan, we need to connect to a VPN. Just click Start, and then you will have different options if you want to get the application for Windows or the application for your mobile, or you can also use the extension for your browser. So just download the one you want. You will probably want the mobile device. So just go to the App Store and download it, or you can also use the QR code. In my case, I'm going to download the Chrome extension, but it's exactly the same process for the phone. So I'm gonna download it. It will take a few seconds. Now I can open it right here. And now once you are here, you just need to connect to any server outside the United States. So you can choose any country. As you can see, there are a lot of different locations you can choose. Let's say you want Mexico, for example. Just click here and it will take a few seconds to connect. And that's it. Now you are connected to another country server. And after that, now we can go to TikTok. We can see it works. It's exactly the same process for the phone application. You just need to open the SourceArc application, log in with your account, and connect to any server. Then if you want to disconnect, just click the button, and that's it. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.